a dhíobh a chuirde agus fáilte roimh arás chuig fáilmhíní Gaeilge.
Level B1, Topic 2, on Teaghlach. Level B1, Topic 2, the family or the household. Level B1, Topic 1, Rannóg a trí, Cúrsaí Aoise, ag díriú bheith leabhart. Level B1, Topic 1, Section 3, Age Matters, focusing on speaking. So Rannóg seo, that made ag play Cúrsaí Aoise. In this section, we'll be discussing age matters and how old people are. Ag an bhfuileog Cúrsaí Aoise uait an gníomhaíoch seo, you'll need the handout Cúrsaí Aoise for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the lesson. Here is picture de Teaghlach. Tá tamil ag féachant an fictúr agus bí a caint go mbeidh tú in ann cúrsíos a dhéanamh gach ball den Teaghlach. So below is a picture of your family. Spend some time looking at the picture and make sure you can describe each member of the family. Féach na ceistena seo le cuidiú leat de chuid freagraí féin a chuma. Look at these questions to help you formulate your own answers. Nuair a bheidh tú réig, cuir an fiseán ceall agus inistom faoi de Teaghlach. When you're ready, turn off the video and tell me about your family. Cé bhéad drothar atá agat? Cé bhéad drothar atá agat? How many brothers do you have? Abre, say it. Cé bhéad drothar atá agat? Cé bhéad drofuair atá agat? Cé bhéad drofuair atá agat? How many sisters do you have? Ceocha is sinne. Ceocha is sinne. Who is the eldest? An é nó an í, chuirsteach an anam, an duine is óige. So is, put in their name, the youngest. For example, an é Seán an duine is óige. Is Seán the youngest? An í Moira an duine is óige. Is Moira the youngest? And to ask who is the youngest, ceocha is óige. Ceocha an duine is óige. No, ceocha an duine is sinne. Who is the eldest? Who is the youngest? And you can say ceocha is sinne, who's the oldest, or ceocha an duine is sinne. No, ceocha an duine is óige. Play, no smuoinigh. Discuss or think about. Smuoinigh na ceistena seo. Think about these questions. An bhfuil na focail a bhaineann leis an Teaghlach deachar a uaimniú. Are the words related to family difficult to pronounce? Cén bealach a bhfoghlaimíonn tú fuaim focail? How do you learn the sounds of words? Bíonn deachrachtaí ag foghlaimeoirí na focail drothar, drotharacha, drofuair, drofuairacha a uaimniú mar is geart. Learners often have difficulty pronouncing the words brother, brothers, sister, sisters correctly. Bíonn fuaimniú iontach difriúil ag na focail seo chomh maith sna Gaeltachtaí éagsúla. These words have very different pronunciations in the different Gaeltacht areas. Díri ord an chanúint atá agat féin agus an bealach a bhfoghlaimíonn tú fuaimne deacra. Pay attention to your own dialect or the dialect of your choosing and the way you learn difficult sounds. If you're ever unsure how to pronounce a word, you can always go to teanglan.ie or folklore.ie or use aber.ie to listen to the various different dialects or canúnts and the pronunciations of the words in each of these. The following is a little clip taken using teanglan.ie, for the different pronunciations for drhar, drháracha, drfuur, and drfuurcha. Personally, I grew up using the Munster version, so you'll hear how different these words are pronounced in the various Gaeltacht areas.
Gerhar, Gerhar, Gerhar. Drohir, Drohir, Drohir.
Jahar, Jahar, Jahar.
Jediford, Jediford, Jediford.
Draur, Draur, Draur. Drifuur, Drifuur, Drifuur.
Leis, smaoinigh ar na rialacha a bhaineann leis na hardimhreacha agus déan chur síos ar an bátrún nó rial ba chóir a leanúint. Now think about the rules associated with ordinal numbers and describe the pattern or rules that should be followed. Dara duine, an tríú duine. The second person, the first person. Cén chuid don chramadach atá i gceist sna frásaí thuas? What part of grammar is involved in the phrases above? Na hardimhreacha. Ordinal numbers. An chéad duine, an dara duine, an chéad uairleoir, an dara chúrleoir, an chéad bhean, an dara bhean. What do you notice? Déantar an tanamachail atá á cháiliú ag céad a in uile sa tuiscil ginneadach uatha. The noun being qualified by first is lenited or aspirated in the genitive singular. A séimhiú is added. For example, céad ribh anamachail fiaireann céad before a masculine noun, deireadh an chéad chogaigh, the end of the first war. Aber an chéad lei, the first day's work. Céad ribh anamachail buineann céad before a feminine noun, tús an chéad bhliaine, the beginning of the first year. Brí an chéad aibirte, the meaning of the first sentence. Sé bhítear na chúnsainn BCF, GM agus P tar éis céad. So the consonants B, C, F, G, M, and P are lenited or aspirated after the word 100. Ní hé bhítear D, T, ná S. We do not add a séimhiú to D, T, or S. Some examples. Céad ribh anamachail fiaireann céad before a masculine noun. Deireadh an chéad chadribh, the end of the first relationship. Ach, Teaghlach an chéad thabhairt, the first priest's family. Céad ribh anamachail buineann before a feminine noun. Teachtaí na chéad Parliamente, the deputies of the first parliament. Teachtaí na chéad Parliamente. Óráid na chéad mná, the speech of the first lady. Ní a bhrítear anamachail sa ghineadach tar éis na nordifreacha eile. So nouns in the genitive do not change after the other ordinal numbers. For example, anamachail fiaireann masculine nouns, cuid cainte an dara bean, saoránaigh an tríú tír, tar éis an ceathrú bhabhta, Míle an cúigiú chúrsa, Cailíní an séú bliain. So we have the second woman's speech, cuid cainte an dara bean, saoránaigh an tríú tír, the third country's citizens, tar éis an ceathrú bhabhta, after the fourth round, Míle an cúigiú chúrsa, the fifth-year students, Colini on Sheu Blian, the sixth-year girls. And then Animacha Buinninchkanach, feminine nouns, Dera on Shachtu Hishdeir, the end of the 17th century, Tosach on Ochtu Law, the beginning of the 8th day, Imachti on Neu Fela, the events of the 9th festival, Fragra on Dehu Kesht, the answer to the 10th question. Augustin Dara le Rannóg Cúrsaí Aoise, and that's the end of section 3, Age Matters, Lamuna ag play Cúrsaí Aoise, discussing age matters. An na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil, éanacht le cóid fuaime agus nasca na Quizlet, suíomh gréasáin agus feidhmchláir sa ghluaiste a sholáthraíonn iarslaí éagsúla le haghaidh stadéir agus foghlama. Cosúil le luas chortaí agus tránna gceist, tá sí go léir fáil mo shuíomh gréasáin. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, a website and mobile app that provides various tools for studying and learning, such as flashcards and quizzes, are all available on my website. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, or edited versions at simplyjacintha.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to the TEG for allowing me to use the audiovisual resources that are available on their website. Dúlagam go bhain siad taitneamh as. Like and subscribe le the hull.